I'm Alexa Hardy. I'm Brooke Boatman, and tonight we are at Mead High School flying a drone show for the elementary schoolers. Tonight's show is special because we picked 15 students' drawings from each school, and we're flying them tonight. I think it's cool how an idea thought up by an elementary schooler can be turned into a drone show up in the sky. So without further ado, please enjoy our show.